Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Saturday. What is it? May 1st. I stayed up till 10 o'clock last night working so I could not get overwhelmed with a bunch of work, and then I got up at 7:30 this morning and worked till just now 11, and because I knew it was going to be sunny today, because we've had days of rain. I mean days of rain. My pool, I got an in-ground pool in the back, and it overflowed. We had so much rain. I usually keep it at the middle of the skimmers, and now it's up to the top. It actually started to overflow, but I can't drain it yet because the yard is saturated. So I want to wait till it's dried out a little bit, then I'll put a little pump in there and spread it all over the yard. But the yard is just completely soaked too. We've needed this rain though, because can you believe in April we have water rationing? You can't water your grass. You can only hand hold it to water it. Is that crazy in April to have this kind of a LCRA? Is awful. They sell our water. They got big Lake Travis out there. They drain it and sell it to the rice farmers downstream, and then they tell us we don't have water, or they charge more for our water. I can't wait to leave. I want to leave this area where there's no water rationing, got plenty of rain, and I'm just ready to go. But it's a beautiful day today. After all the rain, it looks really clear. It's like, it's in the 70s, so it's perfect weather. I only got long sleeve shirts on so I don't get burnt. But it's gorgeous out here. I'm gonna go top off my gas. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna get on the highway, well, not the highway, but roads like this, not the freeways, and go for a ride. Oh, I don't know if I talked about this. A couple weeks ago we had golf ball size hail. It was just unreal. We've had crazy weather this year. We had ice that destroyed my trees. I had to spend 2 weekends out there just sawing up all the branches that come down. Then we had snow on top of that, then an ice again. So I got to hoe 2 cords of wood in the back, that cutting down all the big huge branches that fell. And now we have that hailstorm just destroys. My cars are just destroyed. The roof, the insurance guy that was out here says you don't need your roof guy to come out, you're getting a new roof, because our roofs are just destroyed. Anywhere from pretty much everything in this area from Liberty Hill all the way to Pflugerville, the roofs are destroyed. Golf ball size hail is just, I thought they were going to come through the roof. It was so loud. I was up in my office and I'm thinking, oh my Lord, what is going on? And you can see it splashing in the pool, like the pool was just like it was boiling, 3 feet high, and the splashes, they were so big. So the good thing is I get a new roof that the insurance pays for when I sell my house in 3 short months. So I'll have a new roof on it, so that'll really help. Bye.